So tell us about the Tokoloshi.
Yeah, it's a clever thing, that Tokoloshi. Track you down wherever you are. Yeah. What are you getting yourself all worked up about? Come on, man. It's all just made-up stories.
I'm off.
Already?
Hectic. What the? Where am I? Why is this bed so small? Everything's tiny. Huh? Even my shoes. What happened last night? I wish I was a little bit taller. I'm a giant. Even these burgers, they're so small, but so delicious. but so small.
Hey, buddy. Sleep okay in Dylan's room?
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Lunchbar.
Obvious.
Obvious.
Hi. I've been hearing this propaganda about this Vodacom and all its fancy tools and stuff. But I don't understand. I mean, we've been having it. They talk about things like up-to-the-minute weather reports. But come on, man. Hey, Keita! How hot is it out there?
Boiling, sir.
You see? We've been having it. These people are telling me about email. A fast way to send letters and memoranda. Hit send. You see? We've been having it. There's another thing that they just can't seem to stop yapping about. This mobile TV. TV on the move? Jomo? You see, my friends, we've been having it. Then they tell me that you can get full songs playing when your phone rings. Jomo, call me. Start with me! We've been having it!
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah.
Protect your outside walls with Wall and All, Plascon's toughest paint ever. It's the paint that lasts, not the dirt. Wall and All, the paint with a 7-year guarantee.
I wanna be somebody Japan.
We wanna be somebody Yippee! I wanna be the princess potato in all our land. I wanna be somebody. We wanna be somebody.
No, man, I also wanted to be a somebody.
Sorry, Spuddy. Maybe next year. Brace yourself! Quality, freshness, and flavor. Young chips, but raw with flavor.
In 1994, we moved from our house in Oranje Street, number 13, to our new home, under Oranje Street, number 13. Whenever I asked Pa why we moved down here, he would just tell me,
Moenie lui wees nie, gaan speel buite.
and then Ma would tell me to come back inside. But life in our new home was very fine, for a while. Pa would always say, life is like a bologna. No matter how you slice it,
Dit bly bologna.
we lived there for 16 years, 9 months, and 5 days. We were down to our last tin of Vienna's when Pa went up to go find food for the family. It's been 3 days now, and I must go look for Pa.
Pa? Om 7 maak is nou daar.
Plascon Sunproof contains unique UV filters which protect wood from the sun. Correctly applied, it's been known to protect wood for up to 16 years. Plascon Sunproof. It's like blockout for wood.
So, Paul, how's it going with Pretoria in the new South Africa?
Dit groei net. Vicky, dit groei net. Hallo? Madiba, so wanneer kom die uitlanders Pretoria toe?
So, wat het julle die vakansie gemaak? Ek was van my ma in ons strandhuis in Hortenbos. Is dit? Dit was baie lekker.
Hallo oudjies, het ek goeie nuus hoor? My ma en pa het eintlik vir ons internet gekry.
Is dit?
Ja, en epos ook hoor.
Regtig?
Ja.
Is dit?
Ja.
En hoeveel kos dit, ek mag vra?
R75 per maand.
Is dit? Is dit?
Ja.
Maar waar?
By Polko.
Is dit?
Polka.co.za. E-pos en internet vir slegs R75 per maand. Skakel 0860 00 4444.
62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 60, 66.
Hoi! Away! Come by.
Bobtail with Vitarite contains a uniquely rich mixture of essential vitamins and minerals to help keep your dog in peak physical and mental condition. Bobtail with Vitarite brings out the best in your dog.
Plascon's washable double velvet.
C'est incroyable, tu as vu ce qu'il a fait, ce type? Monsieur Picasso? J'espère qu'il te laissera un bon pourboire.
The washable paint you've trusted for years now has superior stain resistance. Double velvet from Plascon.
Wow. Yeah! Windy. Oh, Bafana. What do I get? What do I get? Laduma! William!
When we feel proud of South African performance,
My cricket boys. Sorry, Hansi. Sorry, boys. Next time.
perhaps we should remember which great South African performer got there first.
I'm a Tuklu. I'm a Tuklu. That's all today. That's all forever. Siapaya. Siapaya.
Sasol Super 100.
Windy. Stop it now.
So annoying.